In St. Mary, 2 men were shot and killed during a shootout with the Islington police Friday night. 2 firearms were also seized. A manhunt is now on for 2 other men who were involved in the incident, as TVJ's Kalisha Williams now reports.
The police say intelligence led them to this section of Islington St. Mary Friday night, where a suspicious car was said to be driving around in the community. Deputy Superintendent Lauren Elliston said about 11:30, members of a police team saw a Nissan Bluebird motorcar along Sport Road. They signaled the driver of the vehicle to stop, but instead, shots were fired at the police.
The vehicle stopped, men alighted from the vehicle and continued to fire at the police team. The police returned the fire. The men ran into the nearby Sports Road community and the police gave chase.
The police say the 2 other men traveling in the car escaped. A resident who declined to appear on camera told our news team what she saw.
After 11, I see 2 men run across my window. One roll inside and run with the gun in her hand and another one back at him. One time me hear like something knock on my door, but me get up off of my bed the way I'm afraid and jump and go and grab up my baby. Me walk my door now, alert the police. Me hear the police say, go in! Me lock back my door and run, go in and hide. And me I just say the whole night, me I peep through my window, watch how I go, and me see the police them out there at work. Yeah man, all me I do I watch and I hope for morning come.
The police launched a manhunt in the community on Saturday for the 2 men who fled the scene.
The body of 2 men were found in the area. They were taken to the Portmore Hospital where they were pronounced dead. The search of the area also found 2 illegal firearms and 22 rounds of ammunition.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.